Everyone. Welcome to part 3 sa manual radar plotting natin. In this video, tuturuan ko kayo paano yung pag-determine ng true course and true speed ni target. So previously, sa part 1 and part 2, kumuha na tayo ng RML, how to plot the R, how to plot the M, how to get the RML, the CPA, BCPA, TCPA. Diba? Nakakompute na tayo nun. Now, let's go. Paano natin malalaman what is the true course and the true speed ng target natin? Okay? Okay, first i-plot muna natin kung ano yung nandito sa problem na to. Okay? So our own ship data is course 000, speed is 15 knots. Then at 1200, you observe a target in the radar with a bearing of 40 degrees true in a range of 8 nautical miles. So plot natin si 40 and range of 8 yung R natin. So that would be our R. Hanapin natin si 40, then 8. 40, then 8 here. So, that is our R at 1200 hours. Okay, the next is the 1206, bearing and range 035, then 6 nautical miles. So let's go to 035 and 6 nautical miles. So ito si 6, ito si 035. Be our M. 1206 hours. Next, let's draw our RML. So from R to M. This is R. Then 90 degrees. Galing dito. So estimate lang kasi drawing lang naman to. Yan. Estimate natin is here. That would be our CPA. Is equal to, so 1:1 yung gamit natin, 1.9 nautical miles. Okay. So we have RM, CPA, then RML. So mamaya na natin solve si TCPA kasi dun sa video na to, ano naman to eh. Ito yung video na for target true course and target true speed. So here, we can see, meron tayong notes dito. Ano ba yung ano ba yung mga i-label natin mamaya. We have here TMV. Ano ba yung TMV? Triangle TMV. That is the true motion na vectors, no? Yung true motion vectors, ito yung true motion mo, then true motion ni target. So dito kasi sa unang plot natin, relative yan lahat, no? Relative motion line. So yung line na yan, puro relative motion ang nandyan. Now we will plot, kasi hanapin natin si true course and si true speed ni target. So, ang label natin, si E, kung makita nyo, may E yan mamaya. So, si E is the origin of the true motion vectors. Meaning, from E to R or E to M, true motion yan, basta galing kay E. Tandaan nyo, basta galing kay E, true motions yan. Now, ano ba yung vector? So, a vector is a line with an arrow pointing towards its direction and length representing magnitude. So, kung sa physics yon, it is a geometrical entity na merong or sa geometry, it is a line na merong magnitude and direction. So here, dito sa maneuvering board natin, the magnitude is your speed and the direction is yung bearing or yung course. Diba? Lagyan natin dito, course or yung bearing. Bearing kung dun tayo sa relative. Okay, course dito sa true course. So kung may true course and true speed, that is the direction and then the magnitude. Okay, so lang natin tandaan dito is ito. E to R is our ship. No? ER, our. Atin yun. E to M, that is our target ship vector. So, E papuntang M. So, makikita natin meron tayong R, meron tayong M. So, E to M is them or sa target ship yon. Okay? So, i-plot natin. Paano ba natin makikita or mahanap saan si E? No? Paano ba yan si E kunin? So, here we have our own ship. Dito na yung own ship data na magagamit mo. Now, ano ba yung course mo? 0, 0, 0. Diba? So, from this alone, meron ka ng direction. Meron ka ng E to R. Diba? Sabi doon, E to R is our ship. E to R. So, course mo is 0, 0, 0. So, from here, guhit ka ng, iba na lang natin kulay ng mga true vectors. So, let's put it blue. Diba? Blue ang colors sa atin. So, ito yung 0, 0, 0. Diba? That is the 0, 0 line. Yan yung magiging 0, 0 mo. So, galing sa gitna, i-drag mo siya papuntang R. Punta kay R. So that would be your true motion. Diba? True motion mo yan. Pero di pa dyan natatapos ang lahat. Meron ka ng line from E to R. Diba? Pero hindi mo pa alam saan si E. Kasi direction pa lang. So, ano yung speed na gagamitin natin dito? So, as we can see, ito yung triangle na i-form natin. So, 1200, 1206. So, we will apply the 6-minute rule. Very good tayo dyan. Okay? So, using the 6-minute rule, kung ang speed mo ay 15 knots and your time is 6 minutes, ilan to? 15 knots. Kasi yun yung own speed mo eh. Okay, 1.5 knots yan. Okay, 15 knots. Using the 6-minute rule. So, hanap tayo dito ng length na 1.5. Okay? Since ito yung magiging course natin, diba? Yan yung course natin, 0, 0, 0. Where is the 1.5? So, ito yung 1.5. Yung 1.5 na yan, dadrag mo papuntang R. Okay? Yun. Okay? So, yan yung true course mo. Okay? Arrow natin dyan, arrow. So, yung point na to, that is your E. Yan. Chassis E. Bayin lang natin kulay ni E kasi siya yung origin lahat ng true vectors. Now, you have your own shift vector. Own shift mo yan. E to R. Kita natin. E to R. Kailang natin ng label para this E to R. Own shift vector. Now, natapos mo na, 'di ba? Natapos mo na. Meron ka ng own shift vector, E to R. E to R. That is 0, 0 degrees. Then, 15 knots. Now, paano kunin si target shift vector? That is E to M. So, guhit ka lang ng line from E papunta sa M. O, galing kay E. Ay, sorry. From E papuntang M. Diba? So, yun. E to M is the target true course. So, extend muna natin kasi i-drag natin yan. Pero, yan. So, para makuha mo yung true course and true speed is i-drag mo to papunta dyan. Diba? So, yung magiging course niya is lan 2812. 282. Diba? Yan. Dito na lang. Ito yung magiging true course and true speed ni target. So, ulitin natin. E to M. Yan. Diba? E to M. E to M. Now, para makuha mo yung true course, yung E to M na yan, E to M na yan, drag mo papunta sa gitna using your ruler. Yan. Then, you get the 280, 281, 282. Diba? 282. So, the target true course is 282 degrees. Target true course is equal to 282 degrees true. So, dun siya papunta. So, 282 degrees true. Okay. Si vessel mo, si target mo, is ganito yung magiging forma niyan. Yan. So, yung barko pala na yan is papuntang 282. Okay. Yan. So, kung may barko ka dyan, papunta siya doon. 282. Okay? For now, lagyan na lang natin. Okay, ganyan. So, kung in reality, yung magiging itsura nito, yung barko, nakaganon, papuntang 282. Okay. Paano naman kunin yung speed niya? So, ito, may measure lang natin to. So, yan. Measure mo. Since 1:1 naman yung gamit natin, pwede ka na mag-direct measure dito sa maneuvering board kasi hindi naman tayo gumamit ng scale. So, that is 1.5, 6, 7, and 8. So, that is 1.8 nautical miles. So, pag sinabi natin 1.8 daw, sa 6-minute rule, lan yun. So, 1.8 dyan. Ito, 1.8 nautical miles yan. So, ilan yan sa 6-minute rule? 18 knots. So, target true speed is 18 knots. So, ganun lang siya kadali. Okay? So, kunin mo lang tong E, then connect mo sa R, then E to M. So, target true course is from E papuntang M, then target true speed is 18 knots. So, 18 knots ito, then that is 282 yung bearing.